Hello everyone, this is video number 26 of Database Management System subject question and answer video series. Let's go to see the question. Question set 26. The first requirement are telling find the sum of the marks obtained by Amanda Moses in all subjects of the first term. Okay, let's go to see. Here I'm going to type get the select mark should be the sum, that means we are using keyword sum here, then from student exam mark record table. Okay, student exam mark record table inner join to student on student exam mark record table student index number should equal to student tables index number, then inner join into exam term on student exam mark record tables exam term ID would be equal to exam term tables term ID. Then the condition is here. First name should Amanda and the last name should be Moses and term name should be equal to first term. Okay, then the semicolon in the end code. Now we can execute the code and get the output here. The sum of the marks is 265. Okay, now let's go to the second requirement. What is the sum of the marks obtained by Nisansala Vikramanayak, a student studying class 11B of all subjects in the second term? Okay. Same as previous one, select the marks from student exam mark record, then inner join it to the student exam mark record table. Student index number should be equal to the student tables index, then it should be inner join to exam term of student exam mark record tables exam term ID equal to the exam term tables term ID. Then the condition here, condition where the first name is Nisansala, and the last name is Vikramanayak and term name is second term. Yeah. Okay, now we can execute the code here, get the output 248.56. Okay, now the third requirement, find sum of the marks obtained by Sachitra Vikramasinghe. Student ID is STU 003 in mathematics and science in the first term. This is the requirement. Let's do it. In here we have to select the mark should be the sum is the sum of the mark from student exam mark record, then inner join it to subject table on student exam mark record subject ID should be equal to subject tables subject ID, then inner join exam term table on student exam mark record tables exam term ID should be equal to exam term tables term ID. Then the condition is here where the condition should be subject name. Let's see, subject name. Subject name should equal to mathematics or science again, or the subject should equal to science, subject name should equal to science, then and term name should be equal to first term and the last condition is the student index number should be ST whatever. Student index number should equal to STU score 003 semicolon check the code sum mark from student exam mark record join subject on student exam mark record table subject ID equal to subject table subject ID inner join exam term tables term where the condition subject name should be mathematics or subject name should be science and term name should be first term and student index number should equal to STO003 with semicolon. Here now we can execute code and get this sum of the result 101.74. Okay, let's go to final requirement. Fourth one, they are telling find the sum of the marks obtained by all students of class 11B in subject of mathematics in second term examination. Okay, let's do it. Here we have to select the sum of the from student exam mark record table should inner join to student table. Student table on means the relevant fields at relevant columns. Example: student exam mark record table student index number should equal to student tables index number. Then again inner join it on join to class table on student tables class id student tables class id should equal to class tables class id. Then again inner join it to the subject table on subject table student exam mark record table subject id equal to subject table subject then inner join to exam term table student exam record table exam term exam term table term id the condition they have class name should be equal to 11b and the subject name should be mathematics and term name should be equal to term name should be second term. Semicolon here, we check the code again and they are class 11b and the subject name should be mathematics and term name. Okay, now we can execute the code here. The result is 301.06. Okay. Okay, all requirements are done. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.